Hello, it's Anastasia here, and I just got a really large box from Graphic 45, and some of these are things that I was just restocking, and some of these are the new bits. So let's dig in, shall we? First I added some little artist trading tags and some trim and more metal goodies. I got this window shoulder box and these little albums, great quick gifts. And of course flowers. I got wrapped ones because, well, I want to have plenty for the Christmas holiday. And then I have purple, mainly thinking about this for the new Halloween collection. And then some white ones, because, well, those are just things that you could have. Then let's get into the new stuff, shall we? Let's divide these a wee bit. Let's take the Christmas stuff. There we are. This is the new Halloween collection called Charmed, and this looks absolutely beautiful. Love those really vibrant colours, the green and the purple and the orange, and of course black. These are so absolutely beautiful, and the patterns are really vibrant and did I mention fabulous? I think I did. And of course you get a sticker sheet with it. I mean, look at these. This one is too darn cute. Love it. Love this. And I got the Ephemera pack and stamps. I love that Graphic 45 is doing stamps again. Love it. Then I got the Steampunk Spells Deluxe Collector's Edition. I love that. I wanted this when it was just a regular collection, but I never got my hands on it, so I'm really stoked that I have this now. I love the steampunk vibe that Graphic 45 does. And there are so many gorgeous patterns in here. Oh, I just love these. And these are actually really great for masculine kind of cards, without being too masculine, nonetheless. And when you get the special edition collection, you get the full book collection, then you get the sticker sheet and the chipboard pieces. And it's Christmas! So there is a new collection, and then there is the Deluxe Collector's Edition. So the Deluxe Collector's Edition is the Twas the Night Before Christmas. Beautiful classic collection. And with the 12 by 12 you get the stickers and the chipboards. And then they got the 8 by 8 as well. So let's have a look, shall we? Oh, I love these. Beautiful patterns. Absolutely gorgeous, and always double-sided. I love that. Oh, beautiful. So you have this full one here, and the stripes on the back. Oh, I love these holly leaves. Beautiful. And check at the back. Not checkered, this is called something else. Can't remember. These are great to cutting out borders. Beautiful green snowflakes. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful pattern paper. And it gives lots of opportunities for fussy cutting these little bits out. And beautiful on the opposite side as well. Excellent cut apart sheet, perfect for Christmas cards, mini albums. Oh, I love this, beautiful colours. And these are with all these different kinds of sayings, and a beautiful background as well. Gorgeous pattern. I mean, look at this little fella. And down on the back. And then another fantastic cut apart sheet. And a beautiful neutral at the back. Stunning. And I love that Graphic 45 now has the 8x8 paper in single sheet. Now then you have the new Christmas collection, Warm Wishes. I think this is going to be my new favourite, but then again I say that about everything I get from Graphic 45. Beautiful. I love these traditional colours and the bold patterns, and absolutely beautiful. Just love it. And usually get the 12x12 and of course the sticker sheet, and the sticker sheet is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning colours, beautiful details, gorgeous. And then you can also get the 12x12 patterns and solids. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh, and I seem to have forgotten the chipboards from the Halloween collection. Oopsie. These are great neutrals to use on cards, layouts, mini albums, whatever. These are always great to have. And you get this beautiful chipboard pieces, absolutely gorgeous. And I got the stamps as well. Well, I do love stamps. And I got the ephemera and the journaling card. These are actually fantastic to use to make quick Christmas cards. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, beautiful. And they're always double-sided. So they're great for like pocket page scrapbooking as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Great journaling bits on the back. And yeah, the 4x6 ones. Season's greetings. This is beautiful. Merry Christmas. Warm wishes. Oh, beautiful. Very elegant. Gorgeous. And warm wishes. Joy to the world. And the back side is also all different kinds of journaling and postcard looking. Just love these. So I also got the 8x8, so let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. Oh, gorgeous patterns. Absolutely stunning. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful cut aparts. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Well, like I always do, but beautiful. Excellent. Oh, this one's really pretty. Oh, and gorgeous backgrounds. Oh, stunning. Very elegant. Oh, I got this one. This was the background one. that one, sorry. And stripes, always good to have stripes. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, absolutely beautiful, love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. An excellent cut apart sheet. Oh, beautiful. Oh, even more pretty. Oops. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. So that's my latest from Graphic 45. Now I'm going to get organising and get started on thinking what I want to do next. So thanks so much for stopping by. See you later. Bye.